Hi guys, this is Nokia Asa 311. It has amazing features. Actually, it's called Asa 311 smartphone. It has pull down notification way. You can access everything like music. When I play music, I can use message also. I create a message and I can go for Bluetooth also. I can switch on. Okay. I can use profile. I can use data off on. I can use Wi-Fi also. I can change SIM setting also. This is Nokia Asa 311 smartphone. You can buy and use it smartly.